So today is going to be all about just giving my hair a little bit of love while we try this brand new product. So I've been dabbling in, the IGK brand here and there, and they just came out with this best interest. I saw it on Instagram and they caught me with their marketing. It said this works, right? So I was like, okay, they said it works. So now I have to try it. The other two things that caught my eye is that it's a deep repair and an air dry styler. So all the things that I would love since we bleached my hair so much. On top of that, I'm going to throw in a Sauce Beauty smoothing curl hair mask because I would like to give my hair just a little bit more love because we're going to be bleaching it. It's kind of been hiding under my bangs. But yeah, it's definitely time to bleach it. It's getting dark and it's also going to be time for me to change my hair color too. So I just thought I would give it some more moisture, do a mask, just a nice hair care day, and just, get it ready for our bleaching. I'm really excited about this bleaching video that we're going to be doing. A lot of you already know that it's going to be a little bit different. So yeah, I'm really pumped about this one, honestly. This is going to be just like a nice little break review because there's going to be so many things happening this month. Definitely going to push myself a little bit, but it's going to be so worth it. I really feel like it's going to be worth it. So thank you guys so much for being here. And if this was your first time here, I hope you subscribe, like, all that good stuff, and keep hanging out. And also, I do have an Instagram. It's linked below and in my bio. And you can always head over there and just say hey or whatever. So the directions. It's just to apply evenly in sections to towel-dried hair, comb through, and allow to air dry. So that's why I said I'm just going to kind of go through my wash routine and do this conditioner. A lot of you know that my hair, it actually is curlier than it looks, especially when it's wet. So I'm really excited to try this. Like, here's a picture of what it normally looks like while it's drying. So if I was going for like really trying to enhance my curls, I'd probably use a diffuser or something else, and definitely more like curl products. This is supposed to be just for air drying, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm thinking maybe we should only put it on half of my head this time. Usually I put it throughout my whole head, but maybe it would be interesting. We'll just put it on half of my hair. I really think that would be fun to do this time. I'll do the mask everywhere because my hair just needs the love. So, Deep Repair Air Dry Styler, 96% split end sealing, 7 times softer and smoother hair, 24-hour frizz control. And here's the ingredients right here for you guys. A hybrid air dry styler that repairs ultra damaged hair. Check. For a salon-worthy finish, okay. This leave-in heatless fights frizz. I can't read today. And restores natural texture to the hair. And clinically proven to reduce breakage, seal split ends, and enhance softness and shine. Oof, this multitasking formula deeply repairs and effortlessly styles all damaged hair. And I already read how we're going to do it. So it sounds promising. I will say it was pretty pricey. This is only 5 ounces and it was $38. Most of their products from IGK are already pretty expensive. This anti-social dry mask, I've actually been really liking it, which sucks because I'm going to want to get the bigger one. But yeah, besides that, they are a little bit pricey, but if it's worth it, I feel like you could make it last a long time. So there just wasn't that many reviews that didn't say that it was like a free product review. And you can get this on Amazon and Ulta and their website and stuff like that. So there wasn't too much in the comments yet about this, but seems promising. We'll see. They promise that it works. So as far as the Sauce Beauty, I don't think I've done a video on this. We have tried the Sauce brand. I didn't do it in its own separate video. I think I added it into a video, but anyways, it was okay. So we're going to go in and we're going to try this instead, the smoothing curl hair mask. Curls will drink up this rich mask made especially for smoothing thick, luscious curls. After shampooing or conditioning, apply throughout hair. Leave in for up to 3 to 5 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. Those ingredients for you there. Grab this one off Sally's. It was pretty cheap. So this one's supposed to provide intense moisture and help repair, moisturize, and smooth curls. I don't know what the repair is. I thought this was just more moisturizing. It's free of sulfates, parabens, and silicones. Looks like they also sell this in like a bigger tube jug of it. So, if I really like it, I can also get it again. My daughter has really super, super curly hair, so maybe this would work nice for her too. So we're looking for lots of moisture today, and this is supposed to like do some deep repair as well as just make it look nice while it air dries and all kinds of cool stuff. So between these two, hopefully my hair is looking pretty good before the end of the day and healthy enough so we can get to bleaching it. So let's do this. I really hope this works, man. Oh my gosh, you guys, this smelled so good. Like, I still have over half of it left, and I'm gonna save it for my son because he has like curly hair and he doesn't do any coloring to it or anything like that. So it doesn't even have silicones in it or anything. And when I was rinsing it out, I could feel like that nice slick feeling, you know? I did just put a touch of my deep moisturizing curl conditioner after I put this in just to kind of seal it all in. It said to follow after shampoo or conditioner. I've heard multiple places. I guess it's a preference. If you want to like do a mask or a treatment, then the conditioner will kind of help maybe seal that in. But you should technically also use like a leave-in conditioner spray after something to seal the conditioner in as well and stuff. But lots of different opinions out there. If you want to comment below, I'm curious. Sorry, I'm just a little exhausted. Most of you guys know I have health problems and like, oh gosh. Hair wash days are tiring. We feel better after, later. I really liked how this smelled, and I want to kind of show you guys. It's like there's little chia seeds in it. Look, I can see them. There's like actual little chia seeds. Honey, shea butter, and chia. Chia? Maybe that's why I love it so much. I was going to say cinnamon, but maybe it's more like a chai-like latte, like chai tea. Maybe that's what I'm smelling, because to me it was like cinnamon. Either way, I really enjoyed the smell, and it did feel good after. So I'm not hating it or anything. That might be one I come back to. We'll see how he likes it too. And it just says evenly in sections, towel dried hair, comb through and allow to air dry. If you have super curly hair, I'm sure you don't have to do that. You know, comb it through. Maybe just a really wide tooth comb. I'm going to start with the little. It's honestly a nice clean scent. I'm not mad at it at all. Okay, I guess we're putting it on the left side. And I didn't grab a hair clip because I'm a genius today. Just gonna not go too crazy. I'm gonna more rake it through, I think. And it does say it helps with split ends. So I'm gonna make sure that I get some on my ends. My hair does still feel thirsty though, I will say that. But I'm curious to see how the mask works on the other side without this. It's pretty thick. But I'm going to guess like maybe a little will go a long way. It'll be kind of funny to do half my bangs. I'm just going to split my bangs down the middle. We'll just put it in all of my bangs. There was one review that said that their split ends looked better over time. Yeah. Oh gosh, I don't know. I'm nervous. I feel like I've put enough in though. I don't want to go too much crazier than that. Leave-in conditioner. Oh, this side was leave-in conditioner with the mask, and this side is the mask with the best interest. And it's supposed to be an air styler, whatever, all on its own. It's supposed to do all this fancy stuff. So I'm not going to put any leave-in on that side. And I'm not going to brush it through like I said. I know it said to kind of comb it through, but I just really used my fingers to kind of rake it through. I'm sure it's going to depend on everybody, like how much you're going to want to use. You can already see a difference on this side compared to this side. It's almost like this side seems like it is a little bit heavier. It looks even a lot longer. So to me, the smoothing curl hair mask is really making my waves kind of pop over here with just leave-in conditioner. That's why it's looking shorter. And this is definitely already making it straighter, a little bit more weighed down. We won't know until my hair is completely dry, especially with my hair, because normally my hair is like Mufasa if I don't do something to it. Just in general, even when I haven't had my hair colored or dried, I just have really thick hair. I know it doesn't seem like it, but I do. They really advertise that this is supposed to just work really awesome. I don't mind the smell at all. And it's not like overpowering to me. You guys know I get headaches really easily and stuff like that. And so that's not an issue for me right now. Fingers crossed. All right, here's the results. I don't even have to tell you or remind you guys which side. Ta-da! I want to say that I did like the mask, and I checked in for 10 ounces for like the little tub, 10 ounces. It's about $12. So it's not like Oh my gosh, crazy hair, because obviously this is the side with just the mask and some leave-in conditioner. But I did really like it, so maybe if I used it alongside some other products. My son is going to try the other half since he has like natural hair and it's not damaged. You know, I'll have to let you guys know how if I end up getting it or not for him. So just thought I'd let you guys know. I really like the smell and everything. It just felt good. So I don't know. Wasn't mad at that. But I think you guys could tell it's so obvious. This side to this side. I was good. I didn't mess with it. I didn't add any oil. I would just wanted to see how it went. I even like slept on it. It's so funny because I asked my husband, he got home and I didn't tell him I was like doing a video or trying anything new. I said, hey, does it one side look different than the other? He's like, well, this side looks like it's not frizzy. And I started laughing so hard. And then once I told him, he thought it was kind of funny too. Since they say 24-hour frizz control, I just thought that was funny. So as far as that goes, they're not wrong there. And it did specify that it has their bond building technology. So I'm sure as you use this over time, it's going to help even more with that. And it is supposed to help with the appearance of split ends, give them a little bit of a seal. So as far as I can tell, that was all very true. At first, I'll put a picture here. While it was drying, I was like, I really don't know. It just looked like super poofy compared to this side. This side, it did start drying faster, so that's probably what it was. And this side was just a lot more curlier. So yeah, so I did get a little bit worried, but I really like the results. It's shiny. It does feel better, like feeling each side of my hair. This side just feels not as healthy. Like I'm actually going to spray this side down with a spray bottle after I'm done recording just so I can get that bond repair in the other side and so it can match this side because I am really happy. It's really shiny. It physically feels better. It's like this side just feels still kind of dry. Honestly, I don't know how to explain this, but these strands feel thinner. But it doesn't feel like I have product in my hair. I mean, obviously, it's just a slight bit of weight, but like nothing crazy. To me, it just still feels like my hair. I don't feel any product buildup. I think that the back is super obvious too. So here's the side with the product in it, and here's the side without. In the middle, didn't really get any. So you can see it's kind of a mess right there. Definitely see the difference here. I think just for me in general, this is nice. I will say, though, that the price is pretty expensive to me. This is 8 ounces and this is 5. And, well, this is just a super glass. I'm just saying as far as like a size reference. I'm honestly going to use it and I'm super, super picky. So I feel like if you just start with just a little bit and put it through your hair, that might be really all you need. I do feel like this could maybe weigh down your hair if you use too much. But if you don't wash your hair super often, and you also want to be careful with bond repair. You don't want to use something like every single day. I feel like that could end up just overdoing it. I think it will be convenient because I'm somebody with health problems, and so it's just not easy for me to style my hair. So on wash days, it would be nice to know that I can get all those benefits just by throwing this in my hair after. I really didn't think it was going to work. And like I said, I'm picky, so I wouldn't keep using this just because I do really like it. If you don't wash your hair that often, might be perfect for you. I really, really hope to see you in the next video. There's so many exciting ones coming up that like I'm honestly having the hardest time not spoiling it for you guys. I hope you guys all have a beautiful day. Bye.